Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get anime filter on Instagram. So as you can see, we're on the Instagram app right now. Unfortunately, you can't get the anime filter you're going to want within the Instagram app, so you will need to go over to the Snapchat app. So if you have that downloaded already, great. If not, you will have to go and download it off the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on what phone you're using. But once you're here, what you'll want to do is go towards the bottom of the page where you see that circle with a smiley face next to on the right hand side. Click on there, then you want to click Explore in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to go ahead and type in that search bar at the top, anime style. That's the one there, and the lenses. Click on that. Then you want to go ahead and do your video by clicking and holding it in there, obviously by showing your face. Then what you want to do is click save in the bottom left hand corner. Just click and hold that save button there. Then click memories and camera roll. Then what you want to do is go back over to the Instagram app. Then you can click plus at the bottom there. Then click on library, and then you'll be able to go ahead and add that video in there or put it to your Instagram stories or whatever you want to within Instagram. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen similar how-to videos on the Instagram app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.